Welcome to the landing lesson. Today we will practice flying a visual approach landing pattern for the Yak-52. This will be followed by the engine shutdown procedure. If you are having trouble hearing the instruction over the engine noise, turn down the world and in-cockpit sound sliders in the options order menu. Press the spacebar key to proceed when ready. Reduce the throttle to maintain an airspeed of 180 km per hour and set the propeller control to an RPM of 64%. Choose a ground reference for the aircraft approach rollout at an angle of 90 degrees to flight direction. The aircraft flight path to the turn must be perpendicular to your flight path. The bank angle should not exceed 30 degrees. To maintain airspeed during the turn, you should open the throttle a little bit. After rollout, you should close the throttle. Apply smooth and coordinated stick and rudder inputs and roll into the turn. Stop the turn and maintain level flight. Determine the moment to start the second turn and keep an eye on your altitude. Your rollout onto the downwind leg should be performed to place your parallel to the landing T-line. Start the second turn. After turning onto the downwind leg, check your airspeed. It must be 180 km per hour. Engine throttle must be 470 to 490 mm off. Check the accuracy of your flight path in regards to pattern width and if it is parallel to the landing T-line. Open the throttle slightly. Move the landing gear control from the retracted position to extended position, passing neutral position. Check that the landing gear is extended by looking at the mechanical indicators on the wing and signal lamps, 3 green lamps. Start. start the third turn. idle the throttle. Set the propeller control to fine pitch and set your descent speed to 100 and the first turn must be performed at an airspeed of 170 km per hour. The turn should be started at approximately 20 to 25 degrees before reaching the final approach path, which must be aligned with the center line of the landing runway. Set a glide path that corresponds to an airspeed of 160 km per hour. Adjust airspeed using throttle. Check if your final approach is lined up. Extend the landing flaps and maintain an approach speed of 160 km per hour. At an altitude of 5 to 6 meters, adjust your landing altitude. Gradually apply back pressure to the control stick. Once on the ground, apply slight pressures on the brake and lever on the stick to slow down. Keep the rudder pedal centered. Watch the engine and oil temperatures during the ground rollout. Retract the landing flaps.
Один, ноль, ноль. Заруливайте на стоянку.